So chapter 7 is more about probability. So let's go. First of all, let's define some terms. Random variable. It says here a variable whose value is the outcome of a random phenomena. Okay. Let's talk a little bit more. So what do that mean? And the way we're going to figure out what do that mean is by an example. Let's say x is the number of 5s rolled on a dice when 2 dice are rolled. So the random variable is a number of 5s rolled, such that probability of x equals 1 is the probability of getting exactly 1, 5 on the next 2 dice. And my possible outcomes, by the way, are 0, 1, and 2 for this, because I could have 0 5s, 1 5, or 2 5s on the next roll. Okay, now we're going to talk about a discrete random variable. So we talked about random variables, and now this is a type of random variable. It's discrete. Discrete means countable. It's the opposite of infinite. There's 3 requirements. The book says there's 2, but actually there's 3. First of all, the probability of any event, and I just labeled as piece of I, is between 0 and 1. You know this. Can't have negative probability. Cannot have probability over 1. Okay. Total probability is 1. And the last part is it has to be exhaustive. In other words, every single possible outcome must be listed. Okay. And then here's an example. What's a probability distribution for the number of 5s rolled on a dice? And here we have the number of 5s defined by random variable x, 0, 1, and 2. Here's my probabilities and percentages. So the way I got these probabilities was by looking at that chart that we made. And I see there's only one way of rolling 2 5s. And that's the first dice is 5, and so is the second. Since it's 36 ways total, voila, 1 out of 36. Okay, we're almost done here. This is a short video. Almost done. Last part says make a histogram. So hopefully we remember how to make a histogram. Across the bottom we have our random variables, 0, 1, and 2. Now at the top we have our probability. Let's see, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, and 0.7. So for 1, if you remember the last slide, it's a 3% chance. 2 is a 28% chance. I'm sorry, 1 rather is a 28% chance. And then 2 is a 61% chance. And these graphs are perfect. It's a histogram, meaning one category bleeds right into the next. And the reason why is after 1 comes 2, before 1 is 0, and that's it. Okay, well, thank you very much. I hope you took some notes, and if not, maybe you should watch this again. Bye.